Hey guys, this is Reaction Wali, and finally the much awaited teaser of the much awaited Kannada action period drama film has been released. Yes, I'm talking about KGF Chapter 2's teaser, and all of us had been waiting like crazy for this one. And the makers had promised that they'll be releasing this teaser on rocking star Yash's birthday, and they kept their promise because tomorrow it's his birthday and today they released this teaser. I mean, I just can't believe that I'm actually talking about the teaser. I'm almost like at a loss of words. So first of all, here's wishing the rocking star Yash a very happy birthday, and there could not have been a better gift than this. And talking about the movie, it's been directed by Prashant Neel, and as a villain in it, Sanjay Dutt will be seen, and also there'll be a lot of other talented actors as well in the movie. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive right into the teaser. And if you're watching this video of mine for the first time, here's a request for you that please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my latest videos. A promise was once made.
History tells us
Wow! Stunning.
that powerful people
Wow. Loving the BGM and this.
come from powerful places. History
Oh. Adhira.
was wrong. Powerful people make places
Rocking star.
powerful.
Whoa! Happy birthday! Rocking star Yash, the one and only. Oh my god. Oof. Blown away. Whoa! What an entry. Just look at those killers. Killed it, man. Killed it. Chapter 2. Coming soon to theatres. That promise will be kept. Superb. What a powerful and promising teaser, man. I mean, this teaser had the word epic written all over it. I mean, right from the start till the end, I just could not take my eyes off the teaser. And the highlight of it, as per me, was rocking star Yash's entry. I mean, we've been waiting for this teaser from such a long time, and I guess this teaser rightly did justice to all our expectations. I mean, it was what exactly we all had expected to be this grand, to be this massive, to be this, really out of the box sort of a teaser, and that's what it actually came out to be. And also, you cannot miss out that fabulous BGM going in the background, those amazing stills, those shots. At times, I felt that they've taken a few stills from the previous movie just to lay a ground, to lay a foundation of the story bit. And also Adhira was seen. There was this still where Adhira was seen, that is Sanjay Dutt, but obviously his face has not been shown. Also that dialogue which says that history says that powerful people come from powerful places, but that's not the way it is. it's the powerful people who make powerful places. So I think this does have a clue, a hint about the kind of things we can expect from this upcoming movie. Because the directors had already promised after wrapping up the first movie that the second one is going to be all the more grand and all the more upscale. And also towards the end, there's an emotional moment where we see Rocky's mother, because we know it very well that his mother has a huge role to play in his life, and it's because of his mother that he turns out to be the person that he is in the movie. So I guess in this movie also we can expect some flashbacks pertaining to his mother, the kind of bond that he shared with his mother, and which actually gives him the true strength, which actually is the strongest pillar in his life. And talking about the BGM, well, it was incredible in this teaser. I guess the makers have a lot of wonderful songs in this movie as well, because we know it very well that in the previous movie some songs have stayed with us till date. So I'm sure the makers have decided to surprise us with some more amazing and beautiful tracks with this movie as well. So in the end, I want to say that I loved every bit of this teaser, and hats off to the makers for giving rocking star Yash such an incredible gift on his birthday, and also us fans, because I think with this teaser they have raised our expectations to another level, and we just cannot wait for the trailer to come out. So guys, that was my reaction on this teaser of the film KGF Chapter 2. कैसा लगा आपको मेरा reaction? Do share your feedback in the comment section. And also, how did you find the teaser? Please share your excitement. Please share your thoughts on this teaser. I would love to know all of that. You can connect with me on Instagram and Twitter. Just type Reaction Valley. You'll find my profile. You can follow me. You can share your requests, recommendations, or thoughts, or anything that you feel like there also. So that's about it. Ab Reaction Valley ko deejiye ijazat. I'll meet you very soon. So until next time, always stay positive and keep smiling.